Hey crew, today's video will be a red velvet pound cake, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have Hershey cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, eggs, distilled vinegar, buttermilk, imitation vanilla flavor, 3 sticks of butter, Swan's Down cake flour, and sugar. And if I didn't say red food coloring, if you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Okay crew, so we're going to get into our red velvet pound cake. And I'm going to start off by measuring off our dry ingredients. And we're going to go in with 3 cups of cake flour. We're going to put it into the sifter. We gotta go in with a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of unsweetened Hershey cocoa powder, okay, so we're just gonna sift our dry ingredients together. Okay, so I sifted one time. I'm going to pour it back into the sifter, and then I'm going to sift it again. Okay, so we have our flour sift, and that's what it's supposed to look like right there. Okay, so we have 1 cup of buttermilk, and to our buttermilk, we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this up. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. And this will be our wet ingredients. And this is unsalted butter, and the butter, the eggs, and the buttermilk is at room temperature. I'm just going to cream my butter a little bit. I'm going to go in with 3 cups of sugar. Okay crew, so we're going to cream our sugar and our butter together until we no longer hit crystals in the bottom of the bowl.
problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and that she could laugh. All the little lies you tell yourself.
So we're gonna add 1 egg in at a time.
Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams.
Okay, so moving right along, we're gonna add our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. We're gonna start with our dry ingredients and end with our dry ingredients. After you add your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients, you want to mix it just enough to get everything combined. Then you want to go in with your red food coloring. Okay, crew, so I end up using the whole little tube of red food coloring gel. Okay, crew, so here's our red velvet pound cake batter. It smells so good, y'all, and this will be one of my Christmas baking dishes, and I have many more to come from y'all. If y'all watch the main channel and the second channel, currently y'all know we have a lot going on, so I really haven't been able to record for you guys, but hey, I'm getting back on it because I did promise y'all some Christmas baking dishes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be a man of my word, and I'm gonna get it done for y'all. So we got plenty more to come. right here, this is the favorite part of the house to bowl. So the house sleep because I'm baking early in the morning for y'all. So hey, we're gonna start a friendly auction of this red velvet pound cake bowl. We're gonna start with a like and a comment. So whoever give a like and a comment, this bowl is yours. So congratulations.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart. In another life, in another life, someone must have really fucked me up, like caused my heart to stop.
So this will go in the oven at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So when it comes out of the oven, I'll bring y'all back. Stay tuned. Okay, crew, so our red velvet pound cake is out the oven, and I baked it for 1 hour and 25 minutes. And I'm gonna give y'all that famous close-up.
Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I.
So I'm gonna allow this to completely cool, then we'll start working on the icing. Stay tuned. Okay, crew, so we have 1 block of 8-ounce cream cheese, and we just gotta mix that together with 1 cup of powdered sugar and a couple tablespoons of milk. And you can make it as thin or thick as you want your icing to be.
Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why. Just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean no. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, but without me, oh. It keeps feeling like I stay blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me, oh. It keeps feeling like I can feel it all. Tell myself that I'm better off being free. But really, I'm just afraid that true love's a trade. Do with the fear. 'Cause yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There isn't this of me in the world.
Alright, y'all, I'm sorry. I made the cream cheese and I didn't get a chance to show me icing it or putting the pecans on there. But I'm gonna let Queen give y'all that famous close-up of our red velvet pound cake with cream cheese frosting and pecans. Alright, so we're gonna cut it and we're gonna let Queen try it. She's gonna give y'all her honest opinion. And we also may let baby girl, aka Riante, try it because she loves red velvet cake. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna cut the red velvet pound cake. Then we're gonna let Queen try it and she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion as always. If it's nasty, she's gonna say it's nasty. Ain't that right, baby?
Yes.
Alright, y'all, so Queen gonna give it a taste and she gonna give y'all her honest opinion.
The first one mine.
You gotta tell her what you think. You just said,
It's good. I've never had red velvet cake ever. So I don't know what I'm supposed to expect. But you can taste cocoa. It's smooth like a pound cake. It's dense and thick and creamy and sweet, but I can taste the cocoa in it. And then the cream cheese icing, it's really good.
Okay, baby girl. Try a piece and let the people know what you think, sweetheart. Come on.
And she loves red velvet cake.
You gotta say what you think. She don't like it, y'all, because she making a ugly stink face.
But she going in for another piece.
I should show her face, y'all, on camera. I guarantee she'll screen her face up.
She doing her hair. She going in for another piece, so she like, what you think about your day?
Okay, y'all, I'm about to close out the video.
She finna tell you.
I'm not done.
You taking too long.
It's moist.
No, say it, not say it.
It's moist.
And what else?
That's good.
Okay, y'all,
It's the best red velvet cake ever.
Okay, y'all, I'm about to close out this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the
Why you
video.
rushed
Please
me?
don't forget to like and comment on the video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.